Okay, so hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, I'm really not happy, honestly speaking. I'm very sad at the moment. You know why? A lot of things has been happening to my channel lately. Yes, ever since I applied for okay, when YouTube sent me um an invite for me to join the partnership program when I got my 3,000 watch hour. Ever since then till this moment, I noticed that views suddenly stopped coming. Honestly, views suddenly stopped coming, and I've done virtually all I can. I optimize my video very well. I make sure that I give my video a title. Yes, a title that is searchable and all of that. You understand? I optimize it. I give it the best hashtags and tags. I try my possible best to to design a good thumbnail, but then at the end, views hardly come in, honestly speaking. And it has really been a challenge to me for some time now. Okay, it has really been a challenge to me for some time now. So that is what prompts me to start making this video. I'm at a point in my life right now where I feel like to give up on YouTube. Honestly, I'm at a point in my life where I feel like to give up, but then I've asked myself this question: giving up, is that the best? Like, is that really the best way to go about this? I've seen a lot of people making videos saying that sometimes it's always like that, that they also notice such challenges whenever they get to that level. You understand that they usually experience that low views, and I'm like, but why will it be like that? Why is it like that? At least when you get to a certain level in your YouTube growth and journey, you understand, it shouldn't actually be like that. At least there should be a change. You understand? So I'm just wondering. I don't know if I should, like, is there something, like, is there any cause for alarm? Honestly, is there any cause for alarm, or should I just overlook everything and keep publishing? You understand? Maybe probably hoping that one of these days it is going to pick up, or maybe the algorithm is going to discover it. I don't just really know what to do. So I want to know if you've experienced such. Please, can you kindly drop it in the comment section and tell me what you did during your own time? How were you able to navigate through the whole low views, videos not being pushed and all of that? If you have experienced it, please, I would like to know, because I don't know what to think of at this particular point in time. I don't know what to think of. Even though I also have this community on WhatsApp group where I belong to. Although these days a lot of things has been taking away my time and all of that. So it made me not to be really pushing out content as I should. But then at least the little I have done so far, the changes should be there. So please, if you have been in that situation, what did you do to make your video to start picking up, to make your views to start picking up? You can share it in the comment section, because at this point I feel like to give up, but then I have come a long way. I have gone so far for me to go back on this journey. I don't want to go back, and I don't want to give up on this, because something in me is telling me that there is a bigger thing, there is a bigger picture ahead. Do you understand? So if I give up right now, I don't know what will happen. And trust me, I don't want to give up, because I'm enjoying every bit of this. Honestly speaking, I'm enjoying every bit of it. So please, if you are experiencing the same thing, do let me know in the comment section. Tell me one or two things that you think I can do in order to make my video to start picking up, and start getting that, or getting that attraction that it needs. These days, at least I believe that one thing is to create content, another thing is to shoot videos and post videos, and then another thing is for your video to start going viral and to start gaining views. You understand? Also, another thing is to monetize a channel, and another thing is for your video to start getting views. Because what is the essence of you monetizing a channel without your videos getting views? Automatically it's of not is of no use, because it is that views that will make the YouTube to pay. Okay, that is one thing I've come to understand. So if my videos are not getting that views now, what am I going to do? Please, God, help me, help your child, because at this point I don't even know what to think of. Honestly speaking, I don't know what to think of. So please, guys, you people should help me, help your sister. And also, I also want to talk to a lot of us that are also out there that are experiencing this same thing. Please, if you are also in the same league with me, please don't give up. Okay, giving up is not the solution. I believe that with time, as you continue to post consistently, the algorithm is going to pick up your channel. That is one thing I believe. So never you say never until it is over. The battle is not yet over. But if you draw the line right now and say that you are done, I'm so sorry, but please, um there is no giving up. Okay, no giving up until, in fact, no retrieve, no surrender. So I want to know in the comment section. Okay, please, if you have watched till this moment, don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed, and also turn on your notification bell so I don't miss out on any of our content. Please help me to share this video, and anytime you see me live, please come and support me. You can support me by, gift, with your gift, super chat, and all of that, guys. Thank you very much, and see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.